everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're joining me from. This is your girl Rosemary, and welcome to the Queen's Cuisine Cooking channel. I hope you are having a fabulous day. But before we look at what we're going to make today, I want to appreciate you all for your continued support on this channel, for liking the video, for sharing this video with your family and loved ones. Let's do family together, guys. So today we are going to be making the baked potato with sausage. It's a very easy recipe that you can make. It just takes about half an hour to make this dish, and you don't need a lot of ingredients to make it, and it's going to be so tasty. So now let's look at what we need to make our baked potato with sausage. Okay, so let's go through what you need to make your baked potato and sausage. You will need your potatoes. So I'm going to be using 3 potatoes today, and of course I'm using the hot Sicilian Italian sausage. You can use whatever sausage you like. This is what I like, so I'm going with my Italian sausages. And you will need your rosemary leaves, and of course salt to taste. So these are really the ingredients you need, but you know me, right? I love my hot spicy food. So I'm going to add a little bit of habanero pepper. This is a choice, this is optional, you don't need to add this. So without taking much time, let's dive right in. So the first thing you want to do is to peel your potatoes. So I'm just going to go ahead and peel my potatoes. And once you are done peeling your potato, I'm going to cut it into medium cubes, because at the end of the day we're going to boil this. So just cut it to a medium cubes to your taste. This is how I like the size, so this is really how I like it. So you do what you prefer. So I'm going to add this to a bowl. I will do the rest for the other remaining 2. Okay, so now we are done peeling all our potatoes and chopping it up. So what you want to do now is to rinse it up. So I'm going to rinse these potatoes. So I am going to then turn on my heat. I'm using medium heat. So once you turn your heat on, you are going to then add your potatoes to your pan. So I'm just going to parboil or heat up my potatoes for about 5 minutes to allow all the seasoning and whatever to get in the potatoes. These are my habanero. This is a choice, you don't have to do this, okay? So I'm just adding half of my habanero pepper to my potatoes. Then I'm going to add some seasoning. This is rosemary seasoning. So if you are thinking about measurement, you can add 2 teaspoons of rosemary seasoning to that. And then you add some salt to taste. And of course, you're going to add some water. I'm going to cover this up and bring this to a boil. I'm going to let it heat up for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then we're going to bake our stuff together. Potato is heating up. You want to go ahead and prepare your sausages. I'm going to add my sausage to my baking pan. I'm not going to use all the sausages. I'm just going to use maybe 3, because I don't want the sausage to be too much. Use 3 sausages for this meal because I don't have a lot of potatoes. I just have a little bit of so I'm going to do 1 more because I don't have a lot of potatoes, so I'm going to stick to 3 sausage for this meal. So these are my sausages. So I'm going to wait for the potato to heat up for 5 to 7 minutes, and then we'll mix everything all up. Now I am going to add, this is 1/3 cup. I'm going to add some olive oil. I'm not even using the whole 1/3 cup because I don't want the olive oil to be too much. That's enough. So we just allow our potato to heat up some more, and then we'll bake this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so we have been heating this up for 5 minutes. So I'm going to turn off my heat. And what we need to do now is, once I turn off my heat, I'm going to heat up my oven to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to strain this. So this is what it looks like, but I'm going to strain this because we don't need the water. So I'm going to add the potato to my baking pan, which already has my sausages and my olive oil. Now I am going to then mix my sausage with my potatoes. Okay, so we're done mixing our sausages with our cooked potatoes. So this is how it's going to turn out. Now we're going to bake for 15 to 20 minutes. My oven was heated up to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to bake this for 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, like and share this video. And if you're interested in embarking on intermittent fasting, I'm going to leave a link below in the description section where you can access my website and grab a book that will walk you through on how to embark on the journey of intermittent fasting. So we'll be right back to continue with our baking. Today we are making the baked potato on sausage. So we'll be right back. So we have been baking this for 15 to 20 minutes now. So I'm going to take it out because it's fully baked. Wow. I'm going to turn off my oven. Wow, this came out really nice. I'm going to dish myself a plate. And guys, you can actually use ketchup for this meal, but I'm not really a fan of ketchup, so I'm just going to have it this way. And this is a meal you can eat for lunch, for dinner, just name it, and you can use ketchup. So this is our end product. Guys, this is our end product. I'm just going to try this out. It smells so good here. And you can use this with ketchup. You can eat it for lunch, for dinner, just name it. It's really hot though, but I need to try it. It just melts in your mouth. This is so nice. It came. So guys, we are done with today's cooking. Until I come your way again, please love yourself, love your neighbors, treat others the way they love to be treated, and stay blessed. I love you all. Bye guys.